Today I wanted to show you my newest listing here in Hidden Lake East. What an incredible neighborhood right down the street from Southeast Health and ACOM. This neighborhood offers so many things like this large lake, playground, green space, and a sidewalk community. Come see it. Welcome in to this split bedroom floor plan with an open concept. We also have an abundance of natural light in this room. This home is 3 bedroom, 2 bath. I can't wait for you to see it. I'm David Ridley with eXp Realty. Thanks for taking the tour of this neighborhood and home with me. This can be you right out here fishing. Give me a call.